Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 19 of Whole, a 21-day yoga journey. I am Kiki, your yoga and mindfulness instructor, and I am here to help you add a little mindfulness into your life through yoga, meditation, self-care techniques, and more. So today we are going to focus on a hip mobility flow. And maintaining healthy hips helps us to prevent injury and helps us to reduce pain in our lower back and legs. And we also want to make sure that we have full range of motion and build strength in those areas as well. So what you'll need for today's practice is a yoga mat, of course, and a yoga strap. And if you don't have a yoga strap, you can always use a scarf or a long towel. So grab what you need and we will get started. So we are going to start seated in our easy seated pose. Legs are crossed, hands on your knees, on your thighs. And if you'd like to have something to sit up on to make it easier, you can always have a blanket, bolster, or block. So find your comfortable seat. And we're going to start with our 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. From here, go ahead and extend your legs out in front of you. And we're going to start with some twists. So we're going to bend the right knee, keep the left leg extended, right foot is on the mat. Take your left hand to the outside of the right knee, right hand behind you, and we're twisting to the right. Inhale and exhale. Another inhale and exhale. And then release. We're going to switch legs. So left knee is bent, left foot is on the mat, right leg is extended, and the foot is flexed. Take your right hand to the left knee, left hand behind you, and twist. Take a deep breath in and out. Another breath in and out. And release. Now we're going to come onto our backs. So having the knees bent and feet on the mat, we're going to do some bridge dips or bridge poses. So walk your feet back towards your hips, hands down on the mat, or you can grab both ends of the mat just for more stability. Let's start with an inhale here. And then exhale as you lift your hips up. Press down in your feet. Try to draw your knees towards each other, but not all the way. Just feel the engagement in the glutes and the hamstrings. And then start to lower down to the mat. Again, take an inhale. On the exhale, lift. Pressing down. Reaching the knees towards each other, not all the way. Breathe here. And then exhale, Slowly lower down to the mat. One last time. Take an inhale first. On the exhale, lift the hips. Pressing down. Feeling that engagement in the legs. And then lowering back down to the mat. And then we're going to come into a figure 4 stretch. So keeping your right foot down, bring the left knee in, cross that left foot in front of the right knee, and draw your left knee away from your body. So you can always stop here. And this is your figure 4 stretch. If you'd like to try something else, this is where you can grab your yoga strap. So we'll start by putting that strap around the back of the right leg. So right leg is down. Bring that left foot in front of the right knee. And then we're going to grab both pieces of your strap or your towel and bring it in towards our chest. So this is just for a little bit of assistance. If you don't need the strap, you can always just interlace your fingers behind your right thigh and breathe here. Take about 3 full breaths here. And then bringing that right foot down. You can release your fingers if you have them behind your thigh, or you can release the strap and then bring the left foot down. So let's do that again on the other side. So again, we can bring the right knee in, cross the right foot in front of the left knee, and draw the right knee away from the body. This can be your figure 4 stretch, and you can stay here as long as you want. Or if you'd like to try it with your hands behind the thigh or a strap behind the leg, you can. So the strap will go behind the left leg. You'll bring the right knee in front of the right foot in front of the left knee, and then pull the knee and foot in towards your chest. Take about 3 full breaths here. Maybe you feel a little stretch on the outer right thigh. And maybe just take a moment to notice what other sensations you're feeling in this moment, in this pose. And then you can release it. So release your fingers from behind the left thigh and release the strap from behind your thigh if you're using it. And then release the right foot back down to the mat. What's next? So while we're here, we're going to bring that right knee into the chest and then reach your right foot up. And from here, we're just going to lower that right leg down slowly and mindfully towards the mat. And once you feel it getting close, so maybe you tapped it already, lift it up and hover it above the mat. So act like you're pressing into the wall in front of you. And then bring the knee in. Reach the foot back up. And we're going to do the same thing. Lower that leg down towards the mat. Hold it there. And bring that knee in. Reach the foot up one more time. Slowly lower down to the mat. Hold it there. And then place that right foot down on the mat. So we're going to take our left knee and just make some circles with that knee. Remember which direction you're going in. We're going to switch after about 4 knee circles. Once you're done your 4, switch the direction. And then bring that foot down to the mat. So this time we're starting with the left leg. So bring the left knee in, reach that left foot up. And we're going to do the same thing we did on the right side. Start to lower it down towards the mat. And once you feel it's almost there, just let it hover above like you're pressing that foot into the wall in front of you. And bring that knee in, reach the foot up. Second round, lowering that leg down towards the mat. Let it hover. Bringing the knee in. Last time, reach the foot up. And then we're going to lower down towards the mat. Let it hover. And then place that foot down beside the right. And then we're coming into knee circles on the right leg. So bringing that knee in, go ahead and make your circles. Remember, about 4 circles with the knee. And when you're done, go ahead and switch that direction. And then bring that foot down. From here, we're gonna come up to a seat. And we're gonna come into a bound angle pose. So bring the bottoms of your feet together. You can open them like a book. Let the knees fall out to the sides. And if you have a little bit of space in between your knee and the floor, you can always put a block up under it, or maybe a book or disinfectant wipe container. All work pretty well. And sitting tall as you can, reach your arms forward, and we're just going to start to walk the hands forward. So just resting over our feet in our bound angle pose. Take about 4 full breaths here. And then slowly start to walk your hands back towards your body. And we'll sit up for this bound angle pose. And we'll end in this pose with our 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So sitting tall in your bound angle, hands can rest on your knees or your thighs, whichever feels better. Let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And that's it for day 19. And now I want to hear from you. Let me know what you thought of this flow. Let's talk about it down in the comments. And this is a great time for you to do a short reflection of your practice. So, whether you take a few moments to just think about it, or whether you choose to write it down on a piece of paper or in your journal. And don't forget to check out my other yoga flows, meditations, and vlogs. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And always remember to add a little mindfulness into your life and be mindfully true, but most importantly, be mindfully you. I'll see you all tomorrow for day 20 of our 21-day yoga journey.